I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Check the camera model and use the supplied power adapter because incorrect voltage can damage the unit. Next, make sure you have the Wi-Fi SSID and password written down. Many smart cameras require 4 GHz connections. Plug the camera in and wait for LED or voice prompts. Once the camera indicates power, position it within a few meters of the router, so initial pairing completes reliably before you move it to its final. Now open the official app and sign in or create an account. You should enable two-factor authentication for security. Tap Add Device, then either scan the camera's QR code or type the device ID. This binds hardware to your account. When prompted, allow network, microphone, and storage permissions so video and audio can stream and recordings save locally. Make sure to apply any firmware updates the app offers. Updates fix bugs and improve stability, so don't skip them before testing the feed. Finish by testing live view, pan or tilt controls, and motion alerts so you confirm functionality. Adjust motion sensitivity and create detection zones to reduce false alarms, and then secure the mount and hide cables for reliability. Set your recording schedule or subscribe to cloud storage if needed. If pairing fails, reboot the router and camera, ensure you're on the 4 GHz network, try access point pairing mode, or perform a factory reset. These steps resolve most common connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.